Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Century Mirai, which is located in Kundanahalli Gate, East Bangalore, and this project is developed by Century Real Estate. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and other brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's talk about the project overview. And Century Mirai is being constructed on total 15 acres of land parcel with commercial and residential both. Let's now focus upon the residential with 2 towers of 2 basement ground plus 19 floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK with different sizes and 4 BHK premium residencies. And now about the location parts. This project is located in Kundanahalli Gate in Marathalli, East Bangalore. So the further connectivity and location are, so Outer Ring Road is 1.5 kilometers away. Marathalli Metro Station is also 1.5 kilometers away. KLM Fashion Mall is again 1.5 kilometers away. And even you can connect to Manipal Hospital, which is 3 kilometers from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you 40 plus world-class amenities like a 40,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, swimming pool, sitting pavilion, gym, indoor game, outdoor game and many more. And now about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project provides you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 2 BHK is 1375 square feet, 3 BHK regular is 1665 square feet, 3 BHK large is 1990 square feet and 4 BHK is 3115 square feet super built up area. And now about the booking process. So our project EOI window is open now. We are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the model flat once it's ready. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI by submitting the bankable EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of the project Century Mirai, which is located in Marathalli, East Bangalore, a project developed by Century Real Estate.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.